If you live in Georgia and you've been thinking about getting your estate planning in order, you're not alone. A lot of people know they need to do something, but they're not exactly sure where to start or what actually matters. In this video, I want to walk you through what estate planning really means in Georgia, what most people need, and how to think about putting a plan in place. At a high level, estate planning is about making sure your assets go to the right people, your family is taken care of, and someone you trust can make decisions for you if you're unable to do so. It's not just about what happens after death. It's also about what happens during your lifetime if something unexpected occurs. In Georgia, most estate plans are built around a few key components. The first is a will. A will allows you to name who receives your assets and who will handle your estate. It also allows you to name guardians for minor children. If you don't have a will, Georgia law decides who gets what, and that may not match your wishes. Another key concept is probate. Probate is the court process used to settle your estate. In Georgia, probate can be relatively straightforward in some cases, but it still involves time, paperwork, and court involvement. Some people are comfortable with that, while others prefer to plan in a way that reduces or avoids probate. That's where trusts come in. A living trust is a tool that can allow assets to pass outside of probate and can provide more control over how and when assets are distributed. But not everyone needs a trust. For some people, a well-prepared will and proper beneficiary designations are enough. The right choice depends on your goals, your assets, and your family situation. Estate planning in Georgia also includes planning for incapacity. This means putting documents in place so that someone you trust can handle financial and medical decisions if you're unable to do so. These documents typically include a financial power of attorney and an advanced healthcare directive. Without them, your family may have to go through a court process to gain authority to act on your behalf. One thing that surprises many people is that estate planning is not a one-time event. Your plan should evolve as your life changes. Marriage, divorce, the birth of children or grandchildren, changes in assets, or even moving can all affect your plan or how your plan should be structured. The good news is that estate planning doesn't have to be overwhelming. Most people can think about it in a few simple steps. Understand the basics, get organized, decide what you want to happen, and then put the right documents in place. If you're just getting started, the most important thing you can do is begin learning and organizing your information. Once you have clarity on your goals, it becomes much easier to decide what type of plan makes sense for you. In the videos on this page, I'll walk through each part of the process in more detail, including how probate works in Georgia, when a trust makes sense, and how to avoid common mistakes. If you want a simple way to get started, you can download the Estate Planning Starter Workbook using the link in the description or on this page. It will help you organize your assets, think through your decisions, and take the next step with confidence.